Hey guys, thanks for buzzing in again to Digital Wealth Hive. Get ready to revolutionize your income game with an entirely fresh approach. Imagine turning ChatGPT into your personal online money generator. But here's the kicker. I won't just talk about it. I'm taking you on my own journey to show you exactly how it's done. Brace yourself for the unveiling of a passive income strategy that's all about results, not just theory. This video is your front row seat to watch me put this ChatGPT method through its paces. No fluff, no filler, just a straightforward guide to turning concepts into real dollars. Follow along as I dive deep into the process, documenting every move for your eyes only. We're diving into crafting digital products using ChatGPT, and then listing them on Etsy for passive income. By the end of this video, you'll have insider insights on spotting winning products and fast-tracking the process using ChatGPT. Plus, we'll cover the art of creating slick digital designs on Canva. But that's not all. I'm unraveling the Etsy mystery and walking you through opening your own shop, step by step to kickstart your journey. Stick around for the ultimate guide to listing products on Etsy, ensuring you're doing it like a true pro. This isn't just another video. It's your gateway to a new income stream. With real-world strategies and tangible results, you won't want to miss this opportunity. Tune in, buckle up, and let's make that passive income dream a reality. Offering something that people genuinely want is essential when selling digital goods on Etsy. But don't worry, I've got you covered with easy-to-use yet highly efficient research methods that won't set you back a single cent. Get ready to kickstart your digital product journey with a crystal-clear vision of what you want to create. That's where the ChatGPT comes in handy, suggesting some exciting broad ideas for you to explore. And guess what? Digital planners are hot-selling items, and we're going to capitalize on that success. However, we're going to put our own unique spin on it by focusing on printable versions. Now comes the thrilling part, niching it down to target a specific audience. Once again, our trusty ChatGPT comes through, providing potential niches and target audiences to make your product truly stand out. With these amazing techniques at your disposal, you're all set to create unique, in-demand digital products that will leave the competition in awe. Now here's the idea. We want to design a printable planner for individuals who are completely focused on something, let's just say personal growth. To make sure our idea is sound, let's head to Etsy and do some research. You can find a ton of results by typing personal growth planner into the search bar. Check out various listings one at a time until you find something that really catches your eye. The following step entails examining the products with a focus on two essential elements. Choose a product first that has a good number of reviews. Second, make sure it consistently gets new reviews, which will show how well its sales are performing. We can learn a lot by looking at a case where a product is getting a lot of recent reviews, even several on the same day. With this knowledge in hand, we'll create a product similar to the successful example, adding our unique touch to make it truly remarkable. Get ready for an exciting journey as we design a planner that motivates and empowers individuals to embark on their path of self-improvement. Start by getting an overall idea of what's out there. Check out what's included, the number of pages, and the style they've used. Then dive into the reviews to see what people love and, more importantly, what they don't. For instance, one review mentions how user-friendly the design is, so we should strive for simplicity. On the other hand, one review suggests a one-page design because it claims there are too many options. Read as many reviews as you can to gain insightful information. You'll have a list of what people like and don't like in the end. Understanding what people like will help us create something proven to work, while knowing their dislikes will enable us to improve our product. That's how we'll stand out and attract more customers, resulting in a unique and high-quality offering. After analyzing everything, I've decided to create a one-page habit tracker with 2 other pages to sell as a bundle. Alright, it's time to put our design skills to the test with the help of ChatGPT and Canva. Oh, and before we get into it, don't forget to show some love by hitting that like and subscribe button if you're enjoying the video. Usually, I create something similar to what competitors offer, and that works great. But this time, I'm going to switch things up and try ChatGPT. Here's how it'll work. I'll type in the design I'm thinking of and have some back and forth with the chatbot. It will then generate a thorough layout that I can utilize as a starting point, saving me time. But keep in mind that we don't have to imitate the design exactly. Consider it a handy source of inspiration. Once I've decided on my final product, I'll head over to canva.com to get started. Canva will be my one-stop shop for ready-to-use templates. I'll simply search for the design I want, and there will be lots of alternatives. Now for the exciting part, I can customize to my heart's content. I'll rearrange elements, experiment with colors and fonts, add and remove elements, and more. I'll create a habit tracking template as the main attraction, but won't copy ChatGPT's answer. In addition, I'll create 2 new designs, a daily planner and a gratitude journal. And to keep things consistent, I'll use the same style for all 3 templates, addressing a competitor's complaint about inconsistent pages. Once I'm happy with my design, I'll simply download the templates as PDFs and get ready to print. In under 10 minutes, I'll create the listing images. Check it out. A main image featuring all 3 templates and individual images with short descriptions. Thanks to ChatGPT. Great. You should have your product and listing images ready by now, which means you're all set to open your Etsy shop and list your first product. Opening a shop on Etsy is free, but listing a product costs 20 cents. Once you click on Open a Shop Today, you'll need to fill in some store details and personal information. Etsy requires you to list 1 product to open your shop. But don't worry. You can put anything there and delete the listing later. Your dashboard will have all the settings you need to manage your store on the left-hand side. The first thing to do is to edit your shop profile. Add a photo and banner, and include your picture as the shop owner to build trust with visitors. You can use Canva, which offers plenty of templates for Etsy sellers. Next, click on Listings, and then Add a listing. Upload the listing images you created on Canva, and you can add a video if you like. Type a product title with keywords that help people find your product. Look to your competitors for keyword inspiration, but avoid copying them word for word. Choose the product category. Set the renewal option to automatic, and make sure the product type is set to digital. Give more information about your product, including its features, benefits, and how to utilize it. If you wish, you can even use ChatGPT to help with the description. Set the price and quantity for your product and add tags. An excellent method is to start with a cheap price and gradually increase it after certain sales. Upload your product as a PDF print file, which your customers will download after purchase. Finally, click on Publish. And congratulations, you've successfully listed your first product. To build a sustainable passive income stream, keep listing new products consistently. Etsy takes care of handling product delivery and payments, making it an excellent platform, especially for digital products. I understand that this video might have been overwhelming with all the valuable information, but don't worry. You can always watch it again to follow the steps at your own pace. If you ever have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you every step of the way. Just comment down below. Your feedback is essential to make this content even better. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to keep producing valuable videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more amazing tips and tricks to help you succeed in your digital product business journey. This has been Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy.